I want to know what red rice is and like why do you know why it's like a staple in the Gullah Geechee community?
No.
Oh, well, see, I was honest.
Okay, so my mother had 10 children,
10.
and
One,
to
two, three,
this
four, five, six, seven, eight,
day,
nine, 10.
10. And to this day, we are still trying to figure out how we can make red rice as perfect as she and all of her people down south made the red rice. But this is as close as I can come, and I've been trying for decades to make red rice. I just feel honored to even have something remotely close to something that my mother made. So we're going to start with our ingredients. Here's everything that you're going to need, and just have everything out so that when you start cooking, you can cook seamlessly. Here we have our butter, not margarine, but butter that is being melted. And once it's melted, we're going to add our onions that's finely diced.
One whole medium onion. And you're going to saute that until it's translucent. Then you're going to add one minced clove of garlic. You're going to add your, ketchup, mustard. This is where I add okay, then you add your seasonings. I'll put the seasonings below, y'all, all the different seasonings. Then we add one whole package of turkey sausage, 6 ounces of tomato paste. We saute that all together with 3 strips of finely chopped turkey bacon. Then we add 2 cups of water. We mix that all together really well. Then we add 2 cups of washed white rice. We mix that all together really well, and then we transfer it into our pre-greased bacon dish. The rice is not going to be cooked at all at this point. Baking it is what's really going to cook it. We're going to cover it with aluminum foil. We're going to put it in the oven to bake.
350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Make sure that you fluff it every 10 to 15 minutes with a fork and recover it with the foil or the lid so that you can retain the moisture.